Dear children, let us read chapter 5 Water. Take page number 168. Imagine that there is no water in your house for one day. What are some of the problems that you would face? Yes, we couldn't take bath, we couldn't drink, we couldn't cook. So we use water for many things. Understand? So water is very important for us. All living beings need water to live. Uses of water. We need water for various activities. Drinking, bathing, washing clothes and other things, watering plants, cooking food. We also need water to put out fire or for recreation. Animals and birds also cannot live without water. Sources of water. We get water from different places. These are called sources of water. Underline that. We get water from different places. These are called sources of water. Although there is plenty of water on the earth, only a small part of the water is suitable for our use. The water from oceans and seas is salty and therefore cannot be used. Underline that sentence. The water from oceans and seas is salty. Water from oceans and seas is salty. So, sometimes you can expect question like name any two sources where water is salty. Name any two water sources where water is salty. You can write oceans and seas. Okay. Only fresh water is suitable for use. Only fresh water is suitable for use. Rain is the only source of fresh water. Rainwater. So, which is the only source of fresh water? Rain. Rain is the only source of fresh water. Rainwater collects in wells, ponds, and lakes. Rainwater also fills up rivers. Rainwater collects in wells, ponds, and lakes. Rainwater also fills up rivers. So, all of you read up to this. Okay. Thank you so much.